Hello, I'm Akash Sengupta. My registration ID is R15Y8014000042.
So my question is, how will you maintain hygiene in your store?
So the staff needs to keep their hands clean at all times, as they mostly will be handling merchandise or will be in contact with customers. So second point, they should avoid biting nails on the floor. Then sir, they should always manage body odor or bad breath and should be under control, as they are offensive to the customer. Fourth, sir, they should maintain straight and upright body posture on the shop floor. And sir, last but not the least, slouching on the floor should be avoided, and hands in pockets and hands on the hips are not courteous to the customer, and hence they should be avoided.
So my next question is, why is grooming is important in retail store, in a retail store?
So the frontline persons on the team, so they are the brand ambassadors of the store, and they meet or greet the customers at the first point, and therefore they need to have a proper neat and clean appearance so as to impress the customers at the first point. For instance, they should be wearing clean and neat ironed shirts and trousers, and properly clean socks and shoes.
So my next question is, what are props?
So a prop is something used with a product in a display that clarifies the functions of the merchandise being sold or the story being told. Props are the integral part of a display. They are used in virtual merchandising to tell a story about the product, and a display prop may be something that is not for sale, such as floor coverings, wall treatments, backgrounds, mannequins, shelves, and steps. When using sellable merchandise as prop, one must be sure that it is appropriate for the theme of the display and is sufficient quantity to meet an increasing demand arising from the display. Props can be items carried in from the woods of prairie or rustic antiques found in someone's attic. Examples, sir, include a branch from lilac bush or spring summer collection stock of wheat, dried leaves, large boulders. Then, sir, used to that are used to give an idea of strength or power of a tractor. So these are the examples.
So my next question is, what is theme?
Sir, theme is, sir, the process of creating a distinct shopping experience. It is just one of the many benefits that are found in theme retail stores. So it allows the customers to not only create new brand associations, but it also helps in, sir, or aids in developing brand advocates, because the distinct setting creates a lasting impression.
So my next question is, while billing the customer, you notice that the billing software is showing a higher price of the product than the price tag. What will you do in this situation?
Sir, I would prefer to use manual billing system so that the customer services are not hampered.
Okay. So you are supervisor in FMGC section. A customer gets an expired item. What will you do?
Sir, I would apologize for this type of situation, and I would like to again assure the customer so that this type of negligence would never happen in the future.
Thank you.